Hello everyone, welcome you all at Padhai Ki Funding. Here we are going to study about division of decimals, that is how to divide decimal numbers. For that we have taken an example here. As you can see the question on the board. The question is, a car covers a distance of 89.1 kilometer in 2.2 hours. Find the average distance covered by it in 1 hour. So, with the help of this example, we will see that how to divide the decimal numbers. First of all, I would like to recall that when we have learned to solve the word problems related to multiplication and division, then we learned that if the information is given about many and we have to find for one, so we used to do division in this case. Vice versa, if it is given about 1 and we have to find for many, then we used to do multiplication in that question. So similarly, as we can find here that the distance covered given in 2.2 hours and it is asked for 1 hour. That means given for many and asked for 1. So we need to do division over here. First, I would like to tell you the instruction to make the statement of such kind of question. What to do? Sometimes children used to be confused that from where we need to start. We need to start from this kilometer quantity or hour quantity. So to make it simpler, just find it out which two quantities given in the question. Here we have kilometers and hour with us. In these two quantities, we have the unit hours given twice in the question. That is 2.2 hours and 1 hour. Fine. So that the quantity which is given in 2 times, the unit used 2 times here will be the starting of the statement. So, let us start our solution here. In 2.2 hours, the car covers 89.1 kilometer. So, we have to find 1. So, to make this 2.2 as 1, we need to divide here by 2.2. So, same there also we will divide by 2.2. Implies that in 1 hour, the car will cover 89.1 divided by 2.2 kilometer. As here we are going to get the distance covered by the car, so the unit will be there as kilometer. Now, here we have the question of division of decimals. Now let us see how to do that. For that, first of all, I will convert the decimal numbers as fraction. So, if I convert 89.1 as fraction, so I get 891 upon 10. After decimal we have 1 digit here. So, here we will have 10 in the denominator. Now, divide. 2.2 will be written as 22 by 10. Using the same rule. What we have applied here in the first one decimal. Now, if you remember how to do division between the fractions, so you can see that first one fraction will be written as it is. Then this divide will convert to multiply. And then in place of second fraction, we will write the reciprocal of the fraction. That means here the numerator and the denominator will be interchanged. So in place of 22 by 10, we have to write 10 by 22. Now we will simplify it. As you can see, this 10 can be cancelled with each other. So we have 891 upon 22. When we divide 891 by 22, so we get 40.5 kilometer. This is the answer of our question. That is, the car which cover 89.1 kilometer in 2.2 hours. So on average in 1 hour it will cover 40.5 kilometer. Hope the process to solve the word problem like this is clear to you, and also to divide the decimals, that process is also clear. If you like the video, please press the like button and subscribe our channel Padhai Ke Phande, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more and more updates. Stay with us. Thank you. Have a nice day.